Boom, hey my friend. So in this video I'm going to show you 3 example landing pages. Now don't be too worried about having to build a landing page or anything like that there. Don't worry about that, my friend. In tomorrow's session I'm actually going to give you a pre-built one that you just need to plug in your message and you'll be ready to run and rock and roll. So this specific landing page, we're actually giving away a free video. So you can see here on the screen it says free video exposes this weird strategy that lets you take these 2 steps to affiliate success, and then it says enter your first name and best email below to learn now. Now this here landing page is actually out converting the other 2 landing pages that going to show you here in a second. So look, if you take a look at how simple this page is, that's all it is. You can see here this is the whole page, and when you take a little glance at it, you can see, right, free video, okay, and it says get instant access, and then it'll say here, you can see down here it says information will be sent to email above. So within about 3 seconds you can get the idea of what it is, how to get it, and this is just a little example landing page that works really well. So this is number 1 I wanted to show you, where we're giving away a free video, and on the next video, on the next page we give them the video. You might have came through that one, I'm not too sure. So the next landing page we have here is one of my controls that was my control, which was the best converting one I've had so far, which sits around 20 to about 25% conversion rate. So when people land on this page, it says affiliate secrets blueprints, 2 of the most powerful blueprints to follow for traffic and conversions. And then you can see here, this is a little e-cover, and it says free instant access, enter your best email in the form below and I'll send you a free copy of affiliate secrets blueprints for traffic and conversions. And it says there, step-by-step guide, learn how you can model the advanced blueprint, start and grow your own highly successful affiliate marketing business. Now this here one has worked really well for me, and it's currently my control, and it's this second page is one that I built to try and outbeat it, and right now this one is currently beating this landing page. Now this one we're giving away blueprints, which is a little PDF. It's about 5-6 pages long, 5-6 pages big, and when they get instant access they can access that on the next page. So the next and third one is another one which I sort of made a variation of this control, which was performing really well for me, and then we went ahead and I made this one which working really well as well. So you can see here it says limited time offer, download it free now, change your thinking forever, and it says affiliate secrets for building an online business, and it says click here to get access. So these are 3 little example landing pages I just want to show you to give you an idea of what type of page I'm going to give you. I'm going to give you one like this here, and you can change it about. You can give away a video, a PDF, audio, whatever your ideal customer would like. Now for me, when I think about what would my ideal customer really like, so my ideal customer would be somebody who already is pre-interested in building an internet business, but they're struggling with traffic and conversions. So when they see these here words like let's see, on this here one it says traffic and conversions, these are like hot button words that really perk my customer and my prospects' ears up. They're like, oh, blueprints, it's simple, traffic and conversions, something that someone in my niche would be really interested in. So these are just 3 example pages, and I'm going to give you one of these pages tomorrow and you can modify it to your heart's content. So right below this video there's going to be a training that's called Irresistible Offer Blueprint. Now I just would like you to watch that video for I think it's about 1 hour and 10 minutes long, and it really covers the whole aspect of your whole offer, but I want you to take away the few ideas that Dustin Matthews shares in that program, to really get your ideas flowing about what type of stuff that you could put on your own page. And this is the assignment for today, is to watch that program below, the Irresistible Offer Blueprint, and then just really think on what it is you're going to be giving away on your landing page to your ideal customer. And that's the assignment for today. And I think I'm going to leave you a wee bonus video below. Have a great one. I'll see you in the next one.